Hello everyone, a new month and new readings. So here you are with me, Bijal Ritesh Maru at Bliss Yoga by Bijal. I get to you the month of August. How are the readings for the month of August for all of us? Well, a great, enthusiastic and a super speeding month awaits all of us. Yes, we will suddenly start feeling a rhythm and growth in our lives again. Everything that we have been probably waiting for, or probably things that we are even working on, will start seeing immense growth in this month, and that will really make us feel energetic, enthusiastic, and on the go for sure. Along with this enthusiasm, we will also be feeling in a pace where we will feel powerful and in control of ourselves and even of others. So, yes, use this power and this control that you have achieved with your gains or with your results or with your movement in a positive way, not only for yourself but for others as well. Stand as a source of help and appreciation and association with others. Along with this, we will see that we will be participating in many activities this month. We will not be doing one or two things, but probably be involved in many things this month, and also allow many people to participate in your activities. Don't try to do things only on your pace and in your way. Try to incorporate others in your fields as well, and you try to participate in as many activities as possible. Just be watchful of arguments or clashes with others. It's very obvious that everyone doesn't think the same way or everyone is not at the same wavelength. So, yes, if you feel that you are not getting along with something or someone, just easily let it go and divert your attention somewhere else. Also, with all this, it is very important that you use your magic and your charisma to get your work done. So don't try to be too egoistic, don't try to be too tedious with things, and don't try to just do things your way. Rather, use the other way out to get things going easy and smooth this week. As I said, you will feel the power, so help the power to help others as well. Feel responsibility. It's a very fast moving and a great month where we'll really see a lot of rhythm, a lot of growth once again. All the resources that probably you need or any kind of help that you need will magically be there in front of you. So definitely use the energy of this month. It's really positive. It will get us going again. Things will definitely take a positive shift and a positive turn from here. So do use all these guidelines, and I'm really excited for the month of August myself. I have a list of agenda which has to be done, and I'm sure that I will be able to fulfill all of them. So I'm sure you too will do it. So yes, plan, execute, participate, use your power wisely, help others, use your magic, use your charisma, and diplomatically and in a very sensible way surpass the month of August. So I really hope all these guidelines help you. Have a lovely month ahead. Your zodiac's readings will be put up tomorrow as the weekly Sunday goes. So do catch them as well tomorrow, and I will see you again next week with your weekly reading. Till then, bye-bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a lovely month of August. Bye-bye.